All right, welcome to the brand new car loan assistance program. This is a premium website that is available to all Matrix members. Right now, there's a trial going on, but even after the trial is over with, there's always a 7-day trial for all of our premium upgrades. To get access, you go to the back office, and let's close this down, and you click on Start. If you're using this theme, which is the blue arrow theme, you click on Start Solutions, Car Loan Help, and then you click here to upgrade. So this particular program, you can get 25% commission, which would be $149.75 for the legal services, which is $5.99, and then approximately $70 for workouts. This is assuming that the average monthly payment is around $350. So we charge 70% of their current payment, and then you get 20% of that. So this amount can vary. You can easily promote your page on Google, Facebook, and Twitter, and the capture page that you get would capture the lead's information, and you would get a copy sent to you to your email. So this would be you getting CC'd, and then this would be the lead's information here, and you would get that here. It just so happens that this is just an example so that the lead and the affiliate is the same information, but this would be different. This would be the lead's information. This is your information, and this is the company. So you would get a copy of this every time someone uses your form. Okay, go back here. If you want to upgrade to the website, you just click on upgrade, and then you choose the $9.99 network economy plan. You scroll down, and you click on subscribe here. All right. These other plans have that same option, but if you just want the premium websites and the other benefits of network economy, which is all these check marks, you can read them. You can get a 7-day free trial, and then it's $9.99 a month after that, and then it will be activated. The information that's displayed on the premium website comes from my profile and personal details. Okay, so your name, your phone number, that's where that information is coming from. So if you want to change your phone number, you change it here. If you want to change the name from your personal name to maybe a business name, you change it here. If you're using a different theme, this is the blue arrow theme. These other themes, you may be using them. The only difference is that they don't have the start button, but all the other options under start are on these other themes here, so you can find the information as well. Now the good thing about these themes is that they are smartphone friendly. So if you wanted to change the theme, you can do that. You want to test it out. I use the blue arrow theme. This is the default theme. This was the original theme from when the Matrix began back in 2010. But if you want to use any of these additional 5 themes, you feel free to do so. And again, they are smartphone friendly. So again, you just pay you upgrade, you choose the network economy, and then after the 7 days, you get $9.99. You pay $9.99 a month. You can come to our weekly Monday calls, and you can download software, 3 monthly downloads, software products. Under software, you click here, browse 110 files, and then under member network perks, this is where you download them. So if you're not a member, you can browse them here to see if you like those benefits, and you can browse them, and then when you become a member, you can download them here, and you can download 3 a month. Okay, so take a look at the other benefits that you get. The other websites that you get as a premium member are here. So if you upgrade, you also get all of these other websites. This particular one right here, the mortgage audit website, is an interesting one because you get all the websites, all your premium websites in one place. So again, every upgraded member gets access to all of these websites, including the new car loan program. So let's say that you have an individual that comes to your page. Okay, let's get back here. Let's see, where were we? help. So let's say you have an individual that comes to your page, you're marketing it, and they click, they're going to fill out their information, okay, about the vehicle. They're going to put down if they contacted the lender. If they don't know the information, like for example, if you're filling it out for them, it's okay to guess, because we'll find out if they become a client. We'll find out directly from the lender. They may not know how to get it, but this information is important for initial evaluation, so we know, what their situation is. We encourage everyone to contact their lender before using the service, because they may be able to get it resolved. If they're not, then that's where we would come in. So they could put down the reason why. It's important they put down the reason why, so that we have an idea of the specific reason why they were denied. It could be too many months behind. It could be we already did something for you before. It could be you don't make enough. Whatever the situation is, we just need to know why. Or it could be that we just don't do that. The lender might say we just don't do that. So if they say that, we'll still try, but it may end up being that they have to upgrade to the legal service plan. Okay, so we have two options. We have the workout option, and we have the legal service option. And then they need to let us know if they still have the vehicle, and if it was repossessed, did they get an auction sale notice? All right, so then they complete this form, and then after they complete this form, it'll take them to this page here. Okay, and there's 3 simple steps, and you should know them. Again, take a look at this. Take a look at this page. If you don't want to complete the form to see this page, you can go directly to it right here. All you have to do is put your ID here, and then it'll take you to this page. And all this does is it explains the steps that the client will have to follow. So we're going to evaluate their situation based off of what they submitted on the website. And if they use the workout option, we're going to need third-party authorization forms so that we can contact the lender. And for most clients, we're going to do the workout option first. The only way we would jump to legal assistance first is if the client is already vehicle is already repossessed, or they may have filed for bankruptcy. Then we would do the legal, because we're not able to speak with the lender when they file for bankruptcy. In most instances, or in many instances. So for bankruptcy, we would work directly, go straight to the legal assistance plan, and for repossessed vehicles, we would go straight to legal. Everybody else, for the most part, we would go to the workout option first. And then if the workout option is not successful, the amount that they paid can be applied to the legal assistance plan. In most instances, the amount that they pay for workout option is going to be less than the $5.99 retainer for the legal assistance. So once we get the supporting documentation, we'll contact the lender and we'll try to get their situation addressed. We're going to need things like their hardship, their income, their expenses, things like that. How many months they're behind, things like that. For the legal help, we're going to need a questionnaire completed, and we're going to evaluate their situation. We're going to look at their origination documents. We're going to do almost like a mortgage audit, and look to see if the lender did any illegal activity. There are some new laws, new clarity that the know your options the government has put in place for auto loans. So we're going to try to use those to help the clients as well. Down below, there's FAQs. You should familiarize yourself with these. It just basically explains what a workout is, when does the loan workout process begin, can I just do this myself, and we ask that all clients go ahead and do it themselves first, and then if they're unsuccessful, then we can take over and try to see if we get the situation addressed. How long does it take? If it's a workout, then we're looking up to 5 weeks. If it's illegal, if we're using legal service, or like for example the vehicle's already been repossessed, then we first have to get it back. So it could take months to resolve it if the vehicle's already been repossessed, or if we're doing the legal services. How much does it cost? It is 70% of their monthly payment. So for example, if they're paying $500 a month, then they would pay $350. If they're doing the legal services, it's $599. So again, down here, now the legal service also includes, they may have to do any court costs, filing fees, things like that may be required if we go the legal route. So those will be explained to them. But the initial retainer is $599. Are the fees refundable? Neither one of the programs are refundable. Now, but they do have the benefit, if the workout program does not work, they can roll 100% of that payment, that initial payment. In the example above, it was $300. They can roll it into their legal services, and then they would only have to pay the difference to get started. So that would be, that's the only option that they have right there. Now, will it stop late fees? The workout will not. We have no control of the lender. It will be based off of the contractual agreement you have between the lender. But if we start the legal services, we may be able to get the court to get them to stop accruing late fees. If they've already filed for bankruptcy, we can still help them, but they would have to definitely lose the legal services option, and then we go from there. If they get any amount of their debt canceled, forgiven, that exceeds $600, they may have to report that as income. So if the situation arises, we can let them know that they need to check with their tax preparer to see if that applies to them. How do you determine if I need to do a workout versus getting legal services? So again, we look at everything that they submit, including that initial form, that online form, and we'll look at everything else, and then we'll let them know. But again, most individuals will end up using the workout option. Typically, would only go to the legal services right at the beginning is if the vehicle has already been repossessed, or if they've already filed for bankruptcy, or if maybe they're being sued for some reason. Depending on the state, they may be getting sued. So those would be the only time that we would do the legal services right away. So this is everything you should need to get started. If you have any other questions, you can always go to the help, online help. You can send email, and we can get you started. So thanks a lot.